Welcome to our SEOPress tutorial series, where we're diving into powerful ways to customize breadcrumbs for your WordPress site. In each video, we'll explore different breadcrumb settings and customizations available in SEOPress PRO, making it easier for both your users and search engines to navigate your site. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. In this video, we'll show you how to simplify your breadcrumbs by removing the archive name, creating a cleaner look for your users. To begin, go to SEO, then Pro, and find the Breadcrumbs tab. Enable breadcrumbs by toggling the switch. Now, if you want to remove the archive name for your articles, go to Remove Posts page and check the box labeled Remove Static Posts page defined in WordPress Reading Settings. For product pages, navigate to Remove Product page and select Remove Static Shop page under WooCommerce Settings. Once done, don't forget to save changes. That's it for simplifying your breadcrumbs by removing the archive name. In our next video, we'll show you how to add the category name along with the archive name for even more customization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more SEOPress tips.